In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the no internet secured message on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First step is we want to try and come here and search for inetcpl.cpl. Press enter and it should open up this one. You want to head over to connections and find LAN settings. In here you want to make sure that it is not using a proxy server, so make sure this one is not ticked. And just to make sure, we want to search here for proxy settings as well, and we want to make sure these are not on. After that, what you want to do is you want to search for view network connections, open it up and find your internet. What you should try and do is right click disable and then right click enable and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't solve it, go to properties, find Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. And then first what you want to try is having both enabled. Now if that still doesn't work, you want to try and disable one of them, press OK and check. And if it still doesn't work, try and disable the other one, like this, OK, and then try and connect. Now if it still doesn't work, just activate both again, and then you can close this one down. Then what we want to try and do is come here and search for network reset. Open up this one and press reset now, and this will restart your PC. Now as a last resort for some people, what you can do is you can right click on your internet and press forget this device. And then you can try and connect to it again after you forgot the device, and then it can also help fix it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.